This is the GEX 125-150 AVE Professional, the first random orbit sander with effective vibration damping. Have you ever had tingling in your hands after sanding for a long time? That's now a thing of the past. On this new random orbit sander, the drive unit is completely decoupled from the outer housing shell, which ensures minimal vibration, even in continuous use. For virtually dust-free working, you can choose between a dust box and a hose. And because the sanding unit is decoupled from the housing, this tool guarantees consistent contact pressure for the best surface results. The choice of using 150 or 125 mm sanding pad diameters on the same random orbit sander gives you flexibility for every application. In the L-box, you get an additional 150 mm pad with 8+1 hole geometry. This allows you to use sanding paper from other manufacturers. Experience for yourself the GEX 125-150 AVE Professional. Minimal vibration, no more tingling in your hands. Of course, in the practical L-box.